Hi friends, today I wanted to share this watercolor pen with you. It is so cool. It has this water body which contains water, and when you press on that body, water drops come out which you can use to wet your watercolors directly. Look how cool. You can unscrew this part of the pen and look, it comes out. You can look inside how the mechanism works. This part of the pen you can put under the tap and fill it up with water. And not only does it unscrew here, it actually twists to make it into a fan brush. Isn't this so cool, guys? Like you just twist it and bam. Now I'm going to just paint some quick flowers for you. You have seen me do this in my Mother's Day greeting cards video. This watercolor brush is so easy to use, you never have to worry about running out of water. And this is a portable pen. Now I paint in trains and buses all the time because I don't need a water container always with me. I hope you guys like this video. Bye!